Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Beautiful and ready to live in is this house in the gated area of Vista Del Mar, St. Anne. This house consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. Downstairs consists of a washroom, bathroom, living, dining, kitchen, patio, and a carport. The area is quiet and peaceful. It is also close to all major amenities and 5 minutes away from the beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $1,500 or Jamaican $230,800 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.